How good do these potatoes? I mean, just thank me now. Like, thank me now. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have a what I eat in a day and kind of Sugar's walking by. And kind of a weight loss update. I'm so excited because I have not done a what I eat in a day in a while, and I have some recipes to share with you guys. Also just like an update on how I've been eating these days with throwing a baby in the mix, you know, because it changes things. Today is actually running a little late. It's currently 10:12. Look at how tiny Kylo was there. I think he was only like 7 months old. He's 9 months now, so it's just crazy how fast they grow. It is currently 10:12, so the day's kind of running a little late. Kylo normally goes down for his nap sometime between 8:30 to 9:30, and once he goes down for his nap, that's usually when I make my breakfast. If I do get hungry, like this morning I did, since the day was running later, I was just so hungry. So I did already have a little snack. This is not sponsored or anything. I know they do a lot of sponsorships. Holla at me, you know, but this isn't sponsored or anything. I actually used an influencer's code to get a discount on this after a few of you guys recommended them to me. These are so good. The ingredients are amazing, but I don't want to ramble on too much. So I did have a few bites of one of this. So I have really gotten a lot stricter about the ingredients that I want in my food. So I've cut out a lot of like seed oils, for example, which is like vegetable oil, sunflower oil, those things, because they are very inflammatory. Artificial sweeteners too. I basically try to just only buy groceries that have very minimal ingredient lists. And I've also just tried to cook more like from whole foods instead of buying things that are just processed and bagged and frozen. That's not to say I don't eat any processed food. You guys know me, I've always said weight loss comes down to calories in and calories out, and that's just a scientific fact. But at the end of the day, I feel like in the past I was only focused on calories and not so much health, to be honest. And now I'm focusing on weight loss, but also health as well. Like the food that I'm putting in my body, yes, it may fit my calorie deficit or it may fit my Weight Watchers points, but is it healthy? Are the ingredients good for my body? So I've definitely switched that this time around. So I'm super hungry. I want to get in that kitchen. But quick little weight loss update. I am so happy to say that I have officially lost 30 pounds. So the day that I went into labor with Kylo, I was 188 pounds, and today I am 158. That feels so good, like literally 30 pounds down since having him. So my body kind of lost 18 pounds naturally on its own without even really doing anything, just kind of like normal healthy eating, not me focusing or trying. And then I've lost the 12 on my own, but I will say I kind of started losing weight in July, but I wasn't really like motivated and focused ever since January. Like January and February alone, I've lost 8 pounds. So that just tells you how motivated that I have been. For some reason, since January hit, I was just like, girl, what are you doing? Like baby boy is going to turn 1 in May. Like get your shit together, you know? I've just been really dedicated to get to my goal weight. So I'm actually almost at my pre-baby weight. Before, when I got pregnant with Kylo, I was 150 on the dot. So I'm 8 pounds away from being my pre-baby weight, but that's definitely not my goal. I already, when I got pregnant with him, weighed a lot more than I was used to. So I would love to get back to into like the 120s because I love how I am there. So I still got a long way to go, but I'm so happy that I've lost 30 pounds. But yeah, let's get in that kitchen because your girl is hungry. Okay, I literally just had to go put on a sweatshirt because I was legit cold. I don't know who I thought I was trying to wear a sports bra in February. Like, relax. But I have to share these potatoes with you guys. Let me actually put the camera. These potatoes are literally incredible. Like I said, I used to just buy these like frozen, but honestly, they just have so much like crap added into them. These are fresh. They take literally 2 minutes to put together. And the best thing about it is you can chop them and season them and put them in the freezer and then put, you know, so that you have it already, and then just put them in the air fryer to cook them every morning. I like to cut them super small because they cook faster. Okay, then you just need some oil. I love using avocado oil. This spray bottle is everything, you guys. Just look at how it mists so that you don't have to use that much oil. More oil, more calories, no bueno. Sprays evenly so that it gets everything. I will link it on my Amazon storefront. Okay, now this seasoning mix, y'all gotta stick with me because this tastes good. Seasoned salt. This does have sunflower oil in the ingredients, so I'm not thrilled about it. I'm actually gonna be looking for an alternative. Little dash of cayenne, just a little because it's spicy. I'm not trying to get too spicy in the morning. Black pepper, lots of garlic. Don't be shy, honey. And dried mixed herbs. This is like key. You want to put a decent amount of that as well. And this is a staple. Do not skip this step. I'm telling you, this is what's going to make your potatoes crispy. You can also use arrowroot powder, which has a little bit more nutrition than cornstarch. It's actually better. I actually have some, but I'm using this up. So with the cornstarch, you don't want to put too much because then it's going to taste chalky, but you need to put enough. I honestly don't have like measurements. I'll just show you guys roughly like how much I'm putting. Mix it all up. That's it, y'all. Put it in the air fryer. This is my new stainless steel air fryer that I'm absolutely obsessed with. It's actually an air fryer toaster oven. I literally make chicken in here. I'll show you guys later. This is incredible. But what I love about this is there's no non-stick coating, which means there's no toxic chemicals and heavy metals leaching into your food. So I love this air fryer. It's completely stainless steel. So it comes with a little basket. I'm just gonna pop these in here. So I like to put mine on 375 for 12 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna make some bacon for some protein, raised without antibiotics and cage-free. And it's crazy because honestly, ever since I've been more conscious of the ingredients I'm putting in my body and the foods that I'm eating, like I used to be a super moody person, like mad moody. And I just thought it was just my personality. Like that's just my personality, which is fine, you know? And I'm still like a little bit of a moody person. It's just, I'm a Cancer, okay? It's just how we are. I can't believe how much less moody I am. Like I feel like my hormones are so much stabilized. I feel like it's easier for me to lose weight this time around because I'm actually picking out like healthy food that has healthier ingredients, you know, and better nutrition in it. I made the switch to stainless steel pans and there's been like a little bit of a learning curve, but one thing I realized with stainless steel pans is you don't want to over preheat them. If you pump them up with heat and like just get them over preheated, everything's gonna stick to it. So you wanna just like, medium heat is the key with stainless steel. Guys, I cannot praise these containers from Amazon any more than I already have. Like these are everything to store bacon, cheese, deli meat, like they're just perfect. I do have them linked on my Amazon storefront, link is in the description. I believe I have it linked under home. So Kylo is obsessed with oranges and we only have one left, so I really don't want to take it from him. We also don't have any other fruit in the fridge, so I don't really have any other options, but I don't want to take it from him, so I am going to eat half of it and then split, like let him eat the other half because he only eats half anyway. So he'll have this for lunch today with his maybe his pancake or his burger. I'll see. Guys, if you have a baby, you have to meal prep for them. Like it's everything. Like I used to get so stressed out with baby lead weaning because like I felt like I had to like cook fresh meals 3 times a day and I was like, what am I doing? So now I literally batch cook and I have like 5 or 6 different options for him in the freezer. I have burgers that I made for him, chicken. Look at me just like swinging this around. And I feel good because he's getting stuff like homemade, fresh that I made, but it's easy because it's already in the freezer done, you know? So what I was gonna say to you guys is the way I break down my meals, it's actually really weird. Like I know a lot of people do 3 meals a day and snacks. I'm just different. I've always said I love big portions, and also I hate being in the kitchen 3-4 times a day making 3-4 different meals. I would rather eat 2 meals a day that are larger portions. It's just always worked for me. Guys, like how good do these potatoes? I mean, just thank me now. Like, thank me now before you make them, before you eat them. Just thank me in the comments because you're gonna wanna thank me once you try these. They're so damn good. I'm in love. So I'm using the same pan to make my eggs. Maybe some people wouldn't wanna do that. That's cool, you do you, I'm gonna do me. I don't wanna like have so many pans to clean and then I will wipe the excess oil off. Listen, I've always been a convenience queen, but now me as a mom, top tier convenience is what I seek. I'm not trying to have 2 different pans to clean and all that jazz, okay? We're using the same pan. So I always do 1 full egg and then I do just 1 egg white. Don't throw out the yolk, you can use it for so many different things. Kylo will have it. I mean, does it get any better than that? It doesn't. Add some Montreal chicken spice. This does have sunflower oil, I'm pretty sure, which I'm not crazy about, but you know, listen, I've given up a lot here, so a little bit won't kill you. I know, but seriously, I'm gonna look for an alternative, but for now I have this and I just love Montreal chicken spice so much. Add a little bit of that. Bam, you're done. Okay, breakfast is ready. I just need some ketchup. And here is my delicious breakfast, you guys. Like, I cannot. It is so delicious, these fries, or these potatoes, I should say. I even make these potatoes for dinner, with burgers, or with chicken, whatever. Like, they're so easy to do. Okay, baby boy is playing right now, so I'm gonna take advantage and make my salad already for dinner so that it's pre-made, so that when he goes down for his nap, I just have the salad already made in the fridge. So I try to be mindful of that and just like prep my food as much as possible. So I'm making my salad, you guys. This is the easiest salad. Hello. 3 ingredients only. This feta is everything, you guys. I get it from Whole Foods. It is so good. Like, I'm telling you, it tastes so fresh and amazing. It's the only feta I'll eat now. Then you just need some Kalamata olives and some cucumber. The easiest way to chop cucumber, you guys, is to slice it, but not all the way down, so it's still attached at the bottom. What are you doing, my love? For the dressing, I have this one that I made myself. This is literally just olive oil, vinegar, and salt, black pepper, and oregano. But there's not that much salt and black pepper in this because I always just kind of like prefer to salt it to taste when I'm making the actual salad. Some salt, some black pepper. So it is almost baby boy's nap time, and I meal prepped this week some chicken and rice. The week before that, I did Cajun pasta. The week before that, I did like a bolognese macaroni pasta. The week before that, I did some amazing Cajun tilapia fish. So every week, I just try to like think, what meal do I want to eat for the majority of this week? Usually just about 3-4 days. And this week I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make some chicken thighs because there's so many things you can eat. Like, I can make so many different meals with this. I can make burritos, I can make tacos, I can make burrito bowls. But I popped out the camera yesterday while I was making it to show you guys what seasonings I used, and I made it in the air fryer. So easy because it's kind of like a set it and a forget it. I don't have to be at the stove like flipping it, watching it. I can take care of Kylo, watch him, be in mom mode, but have the chicken in the air fryer. So I'll go ahead and play that clip now for you guys. And I also made some rice. This was super simple. It's literally just vegetable broth with turmeric, paprika, rice, garlic, onion, black pepper, and some oil. That's it, just very simple. And I saved some of that sauce at the bottom of the pan from the chicken. It's so good. I'm gonna stir this up, put it over the rice. How good does this look? I am so excited to dive in. This air fryer chicken is everything. It was so quick and easy to make, and it just turns out so good. Hey, y'all know I love dessert every night. I have found some amazing healthy options. These cookies, I love the ingredients in these. The ingredients are almost perfect in these. So these are really good options. So when I want a cookie or something like that. And I've also been trying out different chocolate bars because I really have been trying to stay away from eating stuff like Kit Kats or Reese's every single day. You can see I got my Hershey's down there. So I'll still have these maybe about once a week or so, but the ingredients are obviously not good at all. So I really just don't want to be having them every single day. So I've been trying out different healthier chocolates, and I love this one. It is so creamy, like it's so delicious, it's organic. The ingredients are amazing on this, so it's really good. My new favorite. So I'll usually have about 2 rows, like 8 pieces, and then I will save the rest for the next day. But you know your girl loves her chocolate. Okay, good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I never finished off the video yesterday because I was just so tired. Like, I was just so tired. I completely just forgot about it and just I went to sleep. But I wanted to show you guys the last thing I ate yesterday was a snack before bed because I was hungry. So I put Kylo down around 7:30. I usually try to get him to bed by 7, but yesterday, like I said, the day was running a little late. I was kind of hungry. Like, when I put him down for bed, I was like, I'm a little bit hungry. So I grabbed a snack and I grabbed one of these cheese strings. I don't have the package because I always just take them out of the package, but I'm going to pop it up on the screen here. These are amazing. They're by the brand Organic Meadow and they only have 4 simple ingredients in them. So I switched over to this one and I love them. And then I also had one of these beef sticks. I love these, you guys. These are amazing. I got these from Whole Foods. This one's unopened because they had like a 2 for, I think it was like 2 for $6 sale or something like that. No, that can't be right. I don't know. It was a 2 for something, so I got 2 packs. I don't think these ones are grass-fed, which isn't the best, but they're still so much healthier. I've tried to find grass-fed ones, but I can't find them here in Canada. But the ingredients in these ones are really, really good. Like, they're so much better than the other ones that have so many different like fillers and preservatives and chemicals and crap in them. So these ones are really good. I'm happy with them and they taste really good as well. They're only 70 calories for one. But yeah, after I had my little snack, I was watching You, and then I went to sleep around 8:30, and that was pretty much everything I ate for the day. Today's the next day, and I'm already just starting off with a nice cold water. I try to drink about at least 2 of these a day, but I really should be drinking 3. One of these is 800 milliliters. So I try to drink at least 2 so I can get 1.6 liters, but I really should be having 3 so I can get 2.5 liters. But it's crazy. I never struggled with drinking water. Like, I love drinking water. It's not even that. For years, you guys know, I effortlessly was drinking 3 to 4 liters a day. But ever since becoming a mom, like, I'm just literally so busy. Like, I'm on my feet focusing on Kylo like 90% of the day. And then I look over at my bottle of water and I'm like, I haven't had a sip of water in like the last 2.5 hours because I'm just so busy. So I can kind of understand the struggle now, y'all. But I do love this bottle. It helps me because I only have to fill it 2 to 3 times a day instead of filling it constantly. But anyways, enough rambling. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day, and I loved just kind of sharing my weight loss update with you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.